Performance Insights is the new reporting platform for Acoustic Campaign, which provides a single interface and allows further customization of your email, SMS, and mobile push reports. With Performance Insights, you can build your own report workspaces and share live data with other interested parties, even if they don't usually have access to Acoustic. If you don't see Performance Insights listed under the reporting area in your Acoustic Campaign org, you can get this enabled by raising a support ticket. Once it's enabled, click to open the tool. Start by creating a new report. You will find a list of templates to select from. The available options will reflect which channels are enabled for your Performance Insights reporting. For this demonstration, we will use the email channel template. Assign a name to your new workspace and click Add. A predefined set of widgets will be included by default. You can customize these widgets, delete the ones you don't need, and add any new ones. Let's look into the widgets. For example, we could start by removing the Using this report widget, which only includes a description of what we can do with this workspace. Click the menu button and then delete widget. You can then drag and reorganize your other widgets as needed. The delivery KPIs provided by default on this widget show the number of sent messages and the delivery rate. But you might want to have a clearer view on the percentage of your not delivered messages, which were caused by hard bounces. Edit this widget and add the hard bounce rate to the metrics list. Click Update Widget to see a preview, and then click Save. You may need to expand your widget for all metrics to display properly. To add a new widget, click the menu icon on the top right-hand corner and then click Add Widget. There are different widget types available. Let's select Table and assign a name to it. For certain widget types, you can add a primary and secondary dimension. Using a secondary dimension is very useful when you need to categorize your data. For example, we will select Week as the primary dimension and email types as the secondary dimension. Then we'll choose a few metrics we'd like to view: sent, open rate, and click rate. Click Update Widget and save. This widget will now show reporting data aggregated by week for the different email types. Once you have finished configuring your workspace, you can then select your desired date range and any filters you might want to apply to this report. For example, you might only want to display data for particular mailings. If you don't select any filters, your report will include data for all mailings within the time frame. Once you're ready, save your filter set with a name and description. You can save multiple filter sets, and your workspace will remain the same for them. Performance Insights supports the use of audiences to compare your marketing performance across subgroups of people. An audience is a selection of contacts based on an Acoustic Campaign query. Select the query you would like to use as a Performance Insights audience, assign a name and click Save. Audiences can then be used as dimensions in your reports, but be aware there is a maximum of 10 audiences. Performance Insights does not provide contact level data, but it empowers marketers when they would like to personalize and share aggregate reports. To share a report, simply click Menu and then Share. All you need to do is assign a password to protect your link. Remember, an Acoustic Campaign user account is not required to view your shared reports online. Let's recap the key steps we just took you through. Work with Acoustic support to get Performance Insights enabled for your org. Create a workspace based on a template. Configure the widgets for your workspace. Define filter sets. Optionally, configure audiences and share your reports.